Designed by Zanesco Arquitectura, JPP House is a single-family house located in the Serra Gaúcha region of Rio Grande do Sul, in Brazil. The implantation took place with the largest west front facing the street. The priority of the house is the best sunlight and local visuals, as well as respecting the available elements around it. Developed in 3 volumes with different functions that create a courtyard with a pool area, the residence comprises an intimate and social area, with different sizes, structured according to family use. The intimate area brings together a suite and 2 bedrooms with a shared full bathroom, with generous openings allowing greater connection with the external area and a view of the neighboring vegetation. The social area, located on the north and south axis, has more space and privacy guaranteed by the arrangement of the intimate area, parallel to the street level. The welcome is given by the pool, at the center of the project, integrating all social areas and assuming the role of reception for those arriving at the house through the pedestrian access. The slanted metal roof that integrates the social areas stands out, with an inclined advance from the veranda to the side door of the ballroom. On the inside were used natural wood floors and ceilings, while the same tiled floor was used in the service areas, bathrooms, and multipurpose space. A large industrial kitchen with a dining table and seating area fills the ballroom, a space designed to receive guests intimately, adapting to different occasions and quantities. This space is parallel to the pool and faces the street. Naturally planned to take advantage of the garden on all sides, the house encourages residents to connect with the nearby green areas. Here's a look at the plan. In this project, architecture and nature are reconciled, intertwined, and coexist in harmony, like good neighbors.